Take command of the road in the 2009 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. All of the premium features expected of a Chevrolet are offered, including front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and more. Audio features include and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, a security system, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.